good quality protein. Remember, just darker is the meat and more protein per grams there is inside. Okay, I'm making chicken liver pate. Once again, I got half kilo chicken liver, 2 slices of smoked bacon. Then I got the zest of an orange. I got the juice of one orange. I got about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar inside. I got a good amount of pepper, salt to taste, and I'm gonna put my orange juice inside, and then I'm gonna chop up some onion, some garlic cloves, about 2 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna chop up a carrots, peel it and chop it. Carrots, onion, and garlic. There is not much to it. Just chop it up as you like. There, I got some butter. I'm gonna add a nice big chunk of butter. And I'm gonna put my spices. I'm gonna go for half tablespoon and half tablespoon of clove. Gonna mix it together. And then you're just gonna put it in the baking tray. Put some aluminium foil over. And boom, put it in the oven for 45 to 1 hour, 180. And here it is inside of the oven. Okay, so ready to come out of the oven. And so I now there is not a science to it. Got the food processor over here, and what I'm gonna do is just gonna put all the content inside of the food processor. Because of the orange juice, the cinnamon, and the clove taste of liver, which is quite the very strong taste of iron, with all those beautiful ingredients inside, there is none of that happening. Turn on turn it off, just to stir it up a little bit. And that's it. That's done. So now I'm just gonna get this beautiful chicken liver pate inside of a jar, and that's all. You can let it cool down on the bench and then put it in the fridge. Lasted for a long time, more than a week, easily in the fridge. You can even put a layer of ghee on top after you put it in the jar. To help it preserve even longer, but even like that, there is so much fat in it, and organs, I find that they actually don't go spoil as easily as the flesh. So why are we consuming this chicken liver pate? Great source of iron, great source of vitamin B, vitamin C, magnesium, lots of minerals, good quality protein. Remember, just darker is the meat and more protein per grams there is inside. I can't remember exactly how many grams of protein per grams of chicken liver, but it's quite high, rates quite high. And then obviously great sources of vitamin A, vitamin D. So yeah, check it out and enjoy the chicken liver pate.